Hello and welcome to Easy Language Podcast. My name is Lina. In this episode, you will learn 20 simple English sentences for daily life. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Mein content. Format. Sentence. Pause. Repeat. I'm a little tired today. I'm a little tired today. I need some time to think. I need some time to think. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready yet. That sounds good to me. That sounds good to me. I'm just getting started. I'm just getting started. Let me check again. Let me check again. I don't understand this part. I don't understand this part. Can you say that again? Can you say that again? I'll try my best. I'll try my best. I'm learning English every day. I'm learning English every day. I feel more confident now. I feel more confident now. It's easier than I thought. It's easier than I thought. Need more practice. I need more practice. Take your time. Take your time. Makes sense. That makes sense. I agree with you. I agree with you. Almost finished. I'm almost finished. See you later. I'll see you later. Have a great day. Have a great day. Jobby? Listen again and repeat every day. This is Easy Language Podcast. See you in the next episode.